Hey Go Anywhere gang, welcome to my next travel tip video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to find flights. So you're online, you've figured out where you want to go, and now you're going to start typing in and searching for flights. My advice to you is you don't always just have to go to the airline's website. There are so many others. For example, Skyscanner, Momondo, Expedia, they will find these deals for you. What's cool about some of these sites is that they have filters, so you can put in, I only want a nonstop flight, or you can also, on the left-hand column, you can pick out like, I only want to look for these airlines, and it'll weed all of them out for you. So it'll definitely help you, these search engines. They will help you find exactly what you're looking for. Another piece of advice is to look at different options. For example, I live in Nashville. Sometimes the flights aren't that great internationally. So what I'll do is look at Boston or Atlanta or Fort Lauderdale or these other huge hubs and see if I can find a cheap domestic flight on Southwest and fly there, and then catch my international flight over the ocean. A lot of times too, what you can do is actually type in and search for a one-way. Sometimes, every now and again, it is cheaper if you fly one way with one airline and then one way on another airline back. I have flown for $250 on Norwegian Air one way from Fort Lauderdale to Budapest. Skyscanner has this option, which is a Skyscanner flight comparison map. So you can actually type in where you are and the month, and it will show you on a map all of the prices for different places. They do have another option where you can search for flights in a calendar. So you can search for, the month of February, month of March, and you can see all the different prices. That way, if you don't really care when you're going, you can just search by what's cheaper because you want the best deal, right? If you don't really have a certain time or a place you want to go, then all of the flights are open. You can look and search and you can just find what is cheaper and just go there. Of course, it can be expensive if it's in the high season, and depending on what destination you're going to, I get it. The flight is only a short portion of your trip, so do not waste all of your money flying somewhere. There are a lot of flights out there that I see all the time that are really cheap. I have to just see that it's out there. Happy flight hunting, everyone. I hope that you find amazing deals and that you can book that flight.